viewers, welcome back to your channel Stock Dr. RR. Today we are going to analyze Nasdaq, Dow Jones, S&P 500, Russell 2000, precious commodities, gold and silver. Before we go ahead and start our analysis, in case you have not subscribed to this channel, please go ahead, search Stock Dr. RR, subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon. You will get notification of all future videos on this channel. Let's see the economic calendar first. We have important data coming on January 29th, Wednesday, Fed interest rate decision. Now let's go ahead and move to the technical analysis, the charts. But before we go ahead, I want to share one important news regarding the Chinese artificial intelligence startup DeepSeek. This rocked global technology stocks Monday, raising questions over America's technological dominance. Because of they are saying that this DeepSeek's latest AI model is being cost effective and while running on less advanced chips, casting doubt on the validity of sky-high valuations of companies like Nvidia. And because of this news, the all US futures are in deep red. So this news need to get digested, and then within a few days we will come to know whether whatever they are claiming that they have the cost effective AI chips or not, and based on that market will might reverse. But right now this news is hot, and because of that you can see there is a huge sell off happening in the futures, and no doubt tomorrow morning, early morning, you will see all the chips related companies, the giants in US like Nvidia, you're going to see them gap down opening. Okay, so let's go ahead and understand how we can find the levels based on this news and the sell off. So for the Nasdaq 100, I can clearly say that 21,250 and 20,950. This 300 points level is a support area for Nasdaq 100. Right now it is trading at 21,343 here, and it might come into this zone, right? 21,250 to 20,950. This is almost 200 points zone here. 300 points zone here. So if we break below 20,950, then definitely we'll be seeing again a big sell off, 20,700 to 20,300. But if it comes here and take a U-turn and go up like here, or maybe it comes around 21,250, and then from here it takes a turn, then again you might see a upside in the market. But because of this latest news, I am a bit concerned. I need to watch if these levels are getting break. I would advise to not any position for the long side unless that news is getting completely digested by the market and market comes on any conclusion. It should be good to wait and watch how the market is reacting, how market will react tomorrow after the opening. Same for the Dow Jones. For the Dow Jones, 44,100 to 43,500. This 600 points is a support area. Right now it is trading at 44,200. So if it breaks 43,500, then we can talk about uh some downside. Okay. And here, if it breaks below 43,500, then you can see it will go towards 43,200, 42,900, and 42,500. These are the three downside levels. For the upside, If it's hold above this support, then 44,550, 44,800, and 45,000 will be the target. Now, if there is any news about this DeepSeek AI, if you know the news come in the market that no, they are not cost effective or anything, any news which says that the US giant tech companies are better as compared to the DeepSeek's AI, then definitely you will see the upside in the market coming in less time. So then we have the support for S&P 500 that lies around 5985. If it breaks 5985, then you will see the target of 5925, 5875, 5800. On the contrary, on the upper side, 6105 and 6170 are the two upside targets. Then we'll talk about Russell 2000. For the Russell 2000, this is 4 hourly chart here. You can see if I convert into a day chart, the support is around 2225 to 2195. This is the support area here. If it breaks below 2195, then you will see the target of 2155, 2105, and 2065. So this support area is quite below now, right? Currently it is trading at 2292. Almost from here, you can see the support area is down by how many percent? Let us see here. Price range. The support is lying almost 3% down from here. So one should take a note of this. Yeah. So this was about uh all the future indices, and then we will talk about the gold and silver. I have found some important point in the gold and silver. Okay. In the gold, especially my observation. You can see here, whenever gold make its top and then it creates a red candle, okay, which is called as a bearish engulfing. After that, you can see a good amount of fall. Like for here, a green candle, red candle, a fall. Green candle, red candle, a fall. Green candle, red candle, fall. Green candle, red candle, fall. Green candle, red candle, and I'm expecting a fall from here. Okay, so that's what I wanted to show you. This is something good to learn. So from here, currently it is trading at 2754. And I feel that if it breaks 2720, then there is a downside, and the downside target would be 2685 and 2650. Now, the downside would be negated once once if it starts trading and sustaining above 2775. This If it start trading and sustaining above 2775, then we will talk about the upside. But right now, looking at all the previous history, I can see there can be some downside coming. And if it breaks below 2720, then I told you about the next down levels. But but if it comes to this support area again, right, 2750 to 2720, and then from here it takes a U-turn, then again it can come to 2750, and then if it's sustainable it, then it can go toward 2775, and then it can make an all-time high of 2800. But for that, the condition is it has to stay above 2755. But looking at as I mentioned, looking at all these previous data points, I think there can be a short-term correction in a gold. And then we have a silver here. For the silver has a support area between 30.75 to $30. Right now, it has broke below this 30.75. That means it is coming into the support area here, right? And from this support area, if it breaks below $30, then you will see the target of 29.40 and 29. These are the two downside targets. But if it again manage to stay above 30.75 and sustain above it, then it can go toward 31.40, 32, and 32.60. This is all about from my side, friends. We covered all the futures and precious commodities, gold and silver. And again, remember, this week and the next week, there are a lot of individual stocks earning. So maybe you can see a dip in the indices because of this latest AI news. But if the companies are showing a good profit, then those individual companies might be giving good returns. So be careful on that. Because of this news, don't get panicked and don't sell the important holdings. Okay. Last but not least, let's learn and earn together. Thank you, my friends. You have a good one.